Hola, amigos! Welcome to the second part of how to read in Spanish. There are two sounds, re and re, in Spanish. It's very easy. You have to make it like a frog, like re, like my name. Ratito, ratito, or perro, perro. Very good. The vowels in Spanish is very much similar to English. A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Now we are going to mix it with other words. Look at these words. The words se and ge coming with these vowels. When the letter th coming with e and I, they have the same sound as the and thi. And if it comes with a or u, it has the sound as ka, ko, ku. And the letter ge, when it comes with e and I, has the sound as ge, chi. And when it comes with a or u, it has the sound as ga, go, gu. Now that you know how to read these words, you can follow me by reading these words. Look at this. I give you the guide on the top again. Now, read these words. I give you a minute. Pause the video and read this for yourself. Now let's read it together. Please repeat after me. Coche, Cecilia, Gente, Cuba, casa, gato, girasol, goma. Did you read like me? If you had, congratulations! This is the second part and you did it! Follow on my next video and you know how to read.